President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni welcomes Acholi leaders, emphasize politics of interest over identity. The President of the Republic of Uganda, General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has reiterated his call for politics based on shared interests rather than identity, emphasizing that national prosperity can only be achieved through unity and collective development efforts. In a statement shared on his official X account, President Museveni expressed his satisfaction following a meeting with leaders from the Acholi sub-region who represented various political parties. The leaders reaffirmed their commitment to working with the government to uplift their community from poverty. We have been saying all this time that the correct ideology, if we want prosperity for our people, is that of promoting the politics of interest and not identity. Museveni stated, "I am therefore very happy that leaders of Acholi from the various political parties visited me today and reaffirmed their commitment to working with the government to get our people out of poverty." The President further assured the delegation that their proposal would be carefully reviewed and that dialogue would continue to ensure meaningful progress. "We shall study their memorandum and continue with this dialogue. I welcome them." The meeting marks a significant step in fostering national cohesion and economic development as Uganda continues its efforts to implement policies aimed at poverty eradication and sustainable growth. The engagement between the government and regional leaders highlights a growing consensus on prioritizing economic interest over divisive political affiliations. As Uganda moves forward, such interaction reinforce the importance of inclusivity and collective action in addressing key socio-economic challenges across the country. Low Television, with me, Takwo Wilfred.